Another one of the ti-89's interesting features is its ability to store variables. So for example, if I wanted to store a number, say number 89, into the variable of x, for example, I would type in 89, hit the store button, and hit the variable that I want to store it into, which would be x in this case. I hit enter, and now when I recall x, it's going to give me my number back. Now, you can go beyond this. You can store entire functions or equations into single variables. So if I want to store, say, 12 or 13 times z minus y, and I can store that into the variable of t. So when I type in t now, it's going to give me my equation back, 13 times z minus y. And you can even combine things into different variables. So if I wanted to take my x, which is stored as 89, I can take x, add that to another variable, which I could say t, so x plus t, and I can store that in the third variable. And I'll just store that in the variable a, lowercase a. And now, when I type in a, it gives me back the solution to those two equations. So that would give me negative y plus 13z plus 89. Now the ti-89 is very unique. You can have almost an infinite number of variables. You can use letters, you can use numbers, you can use a combination of letters and numbers, and even different characters. So for example, I can use lowercase a as a variable. I can use any letter of the alphabet, even uppercase letters like uppercase I. And as a combination of letters and numbers, I can do maybe x sub 2 or x sub 23. You can just go on forever. Now there's even other different characters. So if I click on the second button and click on the plus sign, that'll bring up my character menu. And here we have Greek characters, mathematical characters, punctuation characters, special characters that came with the calculator, and international characters. These are characters that are used in other countries other than in America. So storing variables can be very handy. It can save you a lot of time in mathematics and save you a lot of trouble.